Hi, this is Kashmanisa Bakewari. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about Amazon DynamoDB query part 2. So this is lab tutorial, and in this video, I am going to show you how to query DynamoDB table from AWS console. So I am on my AWS console and I am having one table in my DynamoDB. So you can see here it is table name is movies, and I'm going to show you my table details here. So my table name is movies and my primary partition key is released year and it is type of number, and my primary sort key is title and it is of type string. So these are my table details, and I'm going to click on this items tab, and we can use this panel to query our table. So by default it is scan. So I'm going to click on this drop down and I'm selecting the query option. So here we can execute our queries with the help of this panel. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 to 4 different ways you can query your DynamoDB table. First is with the help of partition key only. So we can use only partition key. And then second is we will use partition key plus sort key, both combination of both. And then we will see how to add filter expression and how to sort our records in ascending and descending order. So let's start with the simplest one. So here is partition key is released year and it is type of number, and partition key is required field. So it is mandatory. You have to always provide some value to your partition key while querying your table. So and the operator is always equals to. So it will always check for equality. So suppose I'm going to directly click on this start search button here. So I'm see it is showing here error. So because it is the required field. So now here I'm going to pass value like 2013. You can see here I'm having records like released year for 2013 I'm having 3 records, and for 2014 I'm having 2 records, and I'm having other attributes like title, actors and ratings. So for ratings, for not all records having value, some are missing. So as this is NoSQL database, so it is possible here. And now I'm going to uh, get query. So what I will get here? So I will get the all movies which released in 2013. So I'm having 3 records here. So I am expecting here these 3. I'm going to click on start search. So yeah, you can see here I got my result. So now I am going to use the second way. So you can use partition key plus sort key. So here my sort key is title and its type is string, and here there are multiple operators available. So you can use this any one of this. So equals to, less than or equals to, greater than or equal to, between and begins with. So you can use any one of that operator. First I am going to show with the equal. So I want to fetch all the movies which are released in 2013, and the title is like Rush. So in this way I will get only one record. Yes, you can see here. So if I want to use another operator, suppose it is begins with, so as it is string, so I can pass begins with, suppose P. So I want to fetch all the movies which are released in 2013 and whose title is begins with letter P. Yeah, you can see here I got my record. And now I'm going to show you third way you can use DynamoDB query with the help of filter expression. You can click on add filter You can add multiple filters as well, as many as you can. For this demo purpose, I am going to show with the one filter. The filter is nothing but the where condition, and here I am going to do with you can for filter expression you can use attribute other than your partition key and sort key. So here I am going to use my ratings attribute. So here you can provide attribute name and select the data type. So my ratings data type is number, and now then you can select the operator. So here you can see all the operators available, and here is one additional, it is not equals to. So in filter you can filter records with not equals to operator as well. So suppose I want to fetch all the records, all the movies which are released in 2013 and ratings are 8.3 suppose. Yeah, now you can see here I got my record. Suppose I going to change my condition. It is instead of equals to, now I am selecting not equals to. So then I will get the opposite result. So I will get all the movies which released in 2013 and ratings not equals to 8.3. So you can see here which I got the record, and it is giving me the null record also. You can use another operator also, greater than or less than or equals to. You can try with another any other options available. So in this way you can use partition key, sort key, and filter expression. So here you can use all the three combination as well. So yeah, you can see here the result. And now I'm going to show you the another way if you want to sort your record in ascending or descending order. So sorting is executed with the help of sort key. So here my sort key is title. So by default when you execute your query, it is ascending in ascending order. You will get all the record is in ascending order by default. Suppose yeah, you can see all this ascending in ascending order with the my title sort key. So all the late records are arranged alphabetically. Suppose I selecting descending, I want to get a record in reverse order. So when I click on this, so it is giving me the opposite. So in this way you can do DynamoDB queries, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you understand this and you like this video. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye.